Talk to me. Can you talk, huh? Can you say hi? Hi, Susie. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes, it's such a rough life. Oh, it's such a rough life. Yeah, you just keep talking. Keep talking. Yeah. Oh, can you get up, huh? Can you get up? Oh, it's just so hard to get up, huh? You got arthritis. Yeah. Here, can I pet you, huh? Can I pet you? Yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're a sweetheart. Yeah. Oh, you're so nice. Yeah. Can you yodel, huh? Yodel, yodel, yodel. Go on, yeah. You just go. Oh, man, you burped there. Oh, yes. So when are you going to become bacon ham and bacon? Yeah, you got a little while, don't you? Yeah. You got a little while. Oh, you moved a little bit. Yeah, it's rough. Just watching everything here and being a guard pig. Yeah, it's hard. Okay, well, we'll talk to you later, okay? We'll talk to you later, Susie. Bye-bye.